Tank journal. It's blue. It's completely gone. So what happened for this vehicle, as I mentioned earlier, it had the oil pump belt snapped. So when I bought it, the oil pressure was 0, but it was still running. It was still idling. It had gotten into limp mode, so there was no way that you can accelerate the vehicle. So I kept it idling for a while, and then I changed the oil. I thought maybe the oil was the problem. I changed the oil. Immediately changed the oil, it idled for like 30 seconds, went off. I started it again, idled for 15 seconds, and then that was it. The crank locked. So I'm trying to have a look to see whether I can repair this, or if I cannot repair this, I may look for a new crank, do engine rebuild, or get a new engine, or worst possible scenario, scrap the car. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated, guys, along the way. Yep, so that's how bad, that's how terrible this Mazda looks like down here. And this is a common problem for most Mazdas. So once I got off the sump, I found the oil pump belt in the sump like a snake. And we'll try again, guys. See you in the next video, where we'll see what's the course of action that I've taken. Thank you.